Welcome back, Daydreamers, to another episode of WIP Wednesday. This is Work in Progress Wednesday, and I'm going to change out the format just a little bit because I've seen some real differences between when I just talk about kits in my backlog that have been there far too long and have just been a work in progress forever, and whenever I actually finish up works in progress that I have going on. So hopefully you guys enjoy the changes that are coming, and of course, I'm always trying to make it more relatable and entertaining and educational for you. So let's get started on the RX78 to the Grandpa Gundam. WIP Wednesday! Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com. Okay, let's get started. All right, so yeah, that's the guy. Yeah. Now I painted the eyes and the insides of the arms right in there with a copper tone. Not not like the sunscreen. The tone of the paint. It was this. This is pretty cool. I mean, especially to be one of the first RG kits to come out. It was pretty neat. And guess what? I did not lose even one piece on this kit. The thing that's been stopping me from getting into any more RG kits did not come into play. Maybe I'm getting better. Maybe I just know what to look out for because I've lost too many pieces on kits in the past. But I didn't lose any parts this time. So really, really good build. I enjoyed it quite a lot. It was pretty fun to put together. There's some of the parts that they move, so the armor slides like on a lot of RG kits. That gimmick's still there. One of the leg armors that's supposed to slide doesn't really slide, like it never really locked into place, and I couldn't figure out how it didn't lock into place. So that was something to, improve upon. But again, this is like one of the first RG kits made. I've no problems with that. They've improved a lot since then. Don't forget, guys, coming up is a 200 sub giveaway. If you like any of this stuff, please like, share, and subscribe on the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you want to see something different. I've actually had some comments on Instagram because I get a little bit more feedback there, I feel like. So go ahead and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I've got all those links below too. But those people that do respond to me have actually asked for, let me see, this kit. I did some work on the G Gundam here a while ago, and I just put in some magnet wire. Magnet wire, you can see this stuff. This magnet wire is so thin and so little, it makes it just like a dream to work with in running it through this kit. So I do have the head unit, the eyes lit. I'd like to figure out how to make the burning hand lit as well, and then we're going to do some work on etching some more panel lines in this bad boy. So that was somebody who actually responded to me on Instagram, and they said, yeah, you should really customize that kit and show us what you can do with that. So that is coming up. Or any other kits that you guys want to see me build or customize, or if there's a technique that you want me to try out so that you know about it before spending your money on it, or on a tool or something like that, let me know. I want to know. I want to be part of this. I know Octobers are tough, and that's just kind of what happens sometimes. I got nothing there. I think I really let most of you guys down in October with the WIP Wednesdays and trying to put out a large batch of videos I could release through the month while I was really, just my schedule was packed. There was no way I was getting videos out like that. So, to anybody who felt like the quality of the videos and things like that went down, I do apologize. For everybody else, thanks a lot. I appreciate the support. Check out these links over here to see more stuff from me. And as always, I'm Justin, your ragtag daydreamer, and I'll see you next time.